I designed a weight loss tracker, free, link down below, for you guys to start your weight loss journey. It's a little something I'm giving free to help you guys, get started. It's the first page is taking your measurements. The second page is it's like pounds lost. The second page is it's like pounds. Mark off the pounds as you lose them. The third page are goals. Your water, your goals, your food, just, little things to fill out to motivate you. It's just a little motivational, free little tracker that you can print out and download. It's in my stand store, free. But also in my stand store are my beautiful, amazing wallpapers I made for our fancy little phones we got. I tell you, I worked really, really hard on these, you guys. I mean, they turned out amazing. I used paintings and pictures from my son-in-law sent me, was the inspiration. And they turned out so beautiful. And I got some of my own sayings, some I've heard over the years. Who knows, they're just beautiful sayings for motivating you. They're beautiful cosmic wallpapers for your phone. A packet of 24 on my stand store, on sale right now for $4.99. Regularly $9.99, but I'm having a holiday special for all my people that I love for right now until, for the whole month of December anyway. But I love you guys, and I want you to get the free weight loss tracker, and I want you to hopefully pick up some wallpapers to get me out of my house. I want to move really bad. I need my own place, my own space. Yes. I'm getting divorced, as everybody knows, and I really need my own place as soon as possible. Help a girl out. I love you guys. This is Debbie Garcia, the Badass Baby Boomer. I've lost 230 pounds. I have got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy and no more wheelchair. And I am so excited for my new life, and I'm so excited, Mounjaro has helped me so much. It's taken me 11 years to get this weight off. I was in that wheelchair and trapped for so many years, and now I feel free in so many ways, and I am so ready to be on my own and living my own life and doing my own thing. And I'm working really hard to make it happen. I mean, I am working really hard, studying and trying to learn everything that I can learn to start and run a business. And I'm doing it all by myself, and I'm spending a ton of money. So if you want to buy me a coffee, I'm going to have all these links down below. And to my, of all things, how could I forget, my new membership on school. Sexy After 60 Weight Loss. Yes, it's free. Come join, hang out. We're gonna do lots of fun things. I'm trying to build it up. It's in beta. I'm just learning. It's technical, so you girls slow getting the technical stuff together, but I am learning. If I can learn to edit videos, if I can learn to do all this stuff that I'm learning to do, and it ain't perfect. I know I'm far from perfect. I'm 65. I'm just learning all this stuff. But I'm trying. I'm not giving up, and I'm not, I have a second chance at life. I have a second chance at life after getting out of that wheelchair. I have a second chance at life after getting out of the very toxic marriage. And follow me. Subscribe, because I'll tell you what, I'm having loose skin removal surgery 2026. Probably new hips too. Your girl's getting rebuilt, stripped down and rebuilt, lifted, tight and tucked, all that good stuff. Oh, this is what I can't wait to get pulled up. I love you guys. Thank you. All my subscribers, all my people. I mean, just what a nice little community we have. This weight loss community is amazing. Thank you guys.